About 2 years ago, it was March in 2009, I was taking a shower and I happened to notice a mole on my shoulder that had been there. I knew it had been there, but this time it just seemed darker.
I had had a experience while we were on vacation where actually some hot oil had spilt on my neck by accident. I came in to see her to make sure that everything was okay, and during that visit she actually noticed a spot on my face.
It was about 5 years ago, and my mom and my husband both noticed a spot on my arm that they just thought looked horrible and wanted me to go get checked, and I put it off, and finally when I did, sure enough, she knew immediately when she saw it. She said, "Oh yeah, that's gonna be a bad one."
My daughter, when she was 3, had a very ugly mole, and that mole would have become melanoma had we not addressed it immediately.
Because I had wondered before, because I do have a lot of moles, what it would look like.
Something that I would not even notice. It was similar to someone taking a black ballpoint pen and just putting a small dot on your face.
Ironically, I was at the beach when she called me to say, "That's melanoma."
It was so aggressive that the verdict was to do something immediately.
Just the sheer shock of hearing that you have cancer just blows you away.
Took a biopsy on it, and the following week, much to my surprise, she called me and said it was a melanoma. What a shock to me.
And I think it was scarier for my husband than it was me because it didn't really hit, but he was very worried.
And I came in, she did the procedure, it came back, and everything was positive.
We're very fortunate, and I'm very blessed to have my daughter healthy and happy.
I don't even remember putting on sunscreen when I was young. I just thought you get that first really bad sunburn, you peel off, and then here you go.
I was a tanning bed girl.
I spend a lot of time in the sun. I have a lovely family, and I just appreciate that someone took the interest in me, and from now on I can spread that message to everyone else.
I don't care what kind of cancer, when you're told you have cancer, it's devastating, and you take it serious.
You know, the prom dress is gonna look just as nice without the tan. The prom dress is not gonna look nice, you know, with the scar.
Put your sunscreen on. It doesn't take very long. It is worth it.
You look a lot better to everybody when you're walking around.